Happy fall, everyone. It is officially pumpkin season, and today we're going to be decorating a few different rooms in my home for fall. I've put together all of my favorite fall finds from HomeGoods, Target, Amazon, and I'm going to be sharing those with you today. We're going to be styling everything, and I'll have all of the items linked below. I'm going to start off with my living room. So starting off with my living room coffee table, I'm keeping my centerpiece the same. It's actually something I purchased last fall at West Elm. It's still in stock, so I'll have it linked below. And then moving into my fireplace mantle, I really wanted to get some garland for the mantle. This room is super neutral. My style, you'll see throughout this video, is very neutral and minimal. So I wanted to go with this bay leaf garland instead of something that was super bright orange or red. I still wanted to keep those like earthy tones, and then I'm layering it in with some pumpkins. These glass pumpkins are from Target. They're a more affordable version of glass pumpkins that I see at West Elm, at Pottery Barn. They're only like 25 bucks. And then I'm just adding a flameless candle from Amazon. I wanted to play with different textures, colors, and sizes of all of the items I'm adding to my mantle. So I went with these candlestick holders I got from Target last year, and then these flameless candles. I love them so much. They're made with real wax, so they look super realistic. They're just battery powered. And I also got this wooden pumpkin from HomeGoods. I added in another flameless candle from Amazon. I really like the amber glass look on this one. It comes in a set. And then another candlestick holder from Target. These are still available. I love them so much. They'll all be linked below. So here is a look at how the fireplace turned out. I kept it pretty simple since the TV is very large, and I obviously didn't want to cover the TV. I just played with different sizes of the candles and the candle holders and the pumpkins on each side. And then this is the Samsung frame TV. I have the exact one and the frame I have for it on my Amazon storefront. I have a $5 monthly subscription that comes with the frame TV where you can pick out different artwork, and that's just what I use for all of my artwork. I switch it out seasonally. So here's a look of what the mantle looks like with the new artwork. And then moving on to the sofa. This throw blanket, I have two of them. You'll see me switch it out. So this is the beige throw blanket, and I got the tan one. This is from the Casa Luna brand at Target. This is my favorite throw blanket. It's under $100. It's so comfy, so cozy. I love the texture of it. It looks super high end. Definitely recommend it. So I just switched out the colors of the throw blankets. I wanted to just get the same one because I already love it so much, and I can move it around my home as I need it. And also my throw pillows, I'm just keeping the same since they're already kind of in that fall theme. I love these neutral tan tones. All of my throw pillows are from Pottery Barn. They're still available, and I'll have them all linked below as well. So here is the finished look of our TV room. I love all of the fall tones, but that it's still minimal and neutral. Next, let's move into decorating my bar cart. My bar cart is from Wayfair. I've had it for like 3 years, and it's actually still available on their website. I'm starting off with this Halloween candy bowl. This was a find from HomeGoods. It is such an affordable version of similar ones that they have from Pottery Barn for like $200. It is such a cool candy bowl. And I actually found it online too, so that will be linked as well. And then these dried stems are a Target find, so those are still available as well. These candlesticks are gorgeous. They're this matte black that look really expensive, and they're actually a Target find. I got them last year at Target, and they're still available, so I have them linked below along with the Amazon flameless candles I shared earlier. They come in a pack of 6, so I am going to be using these candles throughout a few different rooms. This is another flameless candle from Amazon, and then another glass pumpkin from Target. And that is the completed look of my bar cart for fall. I love the subtle Halloween theme. I really like having those kind of fall elements that are a little bit more like you have to do a double take to notice the like skeleton hands. I didn't want it to be like so obviously Halloween, so I like those kind of subtle touches that I can have for the next few months. So next up, let's move into my dining room, and I will be doing a whole separate video this fall of dining room table settings for fall and Thanksgiving, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we're going to just add a few elements for fall. So we're starting off with this vase I have as my centerpiece on my credenza. The vase is from West Elm, and I had these florals from Anthropology through the spring and summer, and then I found these oversized stems at Target for $10 each. This is one of my favorite fall finds because so many oversized stems from any other retailer are double or triple the price. These look super realistic. I only bought 4 of them and they really fill up this whole vase. So I'm just adding them in here. I really love the color on them as well. So here is the finished look. I love it so much better than the florals I had in this vase for summer. I just love the volume of these leaves. It just gives it a more dramatic look to the room. I just love the way it looks for fall. And then I decided to add another dried floral arrangement to this corner across the dining room. This vase is a Target find. I love it so much. It's such a unique shape. And then all of these stems I purchased from Target. They range from $3.99 to $9.99. That one is the most expensive one. I just got one of them. And then I'm just layering in a bunch of stems that are all different sizes and colors. I really wanted to make it look a bit more custom and very intentional. So my goal with this arrangement was just to keep layering the different textures and sizes of the stems to make them look very intentional and try to make the arrangement look a bit more expensive than it is. And I feel like it turned out really well considering all the stems are basically under $5. The vase is like $20. I think that it actually looks pretty high end. I finished off this corner with a few pumpkin themed items. I got this ceramic pumpkin for $5 at Target, and it comes in a bunch of different colors and a few different sizes as well. And then this is my favorite pumpkin candle or fall candle. It's a spice pumpkin latte candle. And here is the completed look of my dining room. I feel like even just those few additions enhanced this room for fall. Now we're moving on to the last room I'm going to style, which is my formal living room. I'm starting off with my built-in shelves. I'm just adding a few pieces of fall decor. I absolutely love this pumpkin. I got it at Home Goods a couple weeks ago, and I found very similar ones online as well that I'll link below. And then I have this large bowl that I got at Target a few months ago, and I'm just adding some faux pumpkins to it. I got all of these little fake white pumpkins last season from Amazon, and I'll add those to my storefront as well. I think they're awesome for a centerpiece like this or just a vase filler as well. And then I'm switching out this lightweight throw blanket that I had in this room for spring and summer with the other throw blanket I mentioned before from Casa Luna. This is just the beige tone. They also have a gray tone, so I just wanted to add a little bit of more texture, coziness, and warmth to this room with this throw blanket. And moving on to styling my coffee table for fall, starting off with some of my favorite coffee table books from Amazon. Then we have this textured green vase from Target. Adding in some more of the flameless candlesticks, and the candlestick holders are also from Target. I also absolutely love these stems for fall. They're from Crate & Barrel, and they were surprisingly pretty affordable for a high-end retailer. Definitely recommend them. This white pumpkin is from Home Goods. I have found similar ones online that I'll link below. And then this candle is from Target. And that completes my coffee table decor, the decor for this room, and pretty much all of my fall decor for my home. I really loved how everything turned out. I wanted to keep things kind of subtle, very neutral, so I wouldn't get sick of it over the next couple months. I do plan on keeping all these items styled this way until probably November 1st is when I'll switch over to the holiday season. So I'll have everything linked in my description box and similar items linked in my description box as well. If you like videos like this, definitely subscribe to my channel. And I also post home decor videos on my Instagram and TikTok daily if you want shorter versions of decorate with me videos and fall home inspo. But that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.